Hello everyone and welcome to this Binance tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to transfer any cryptocurrency from Binance to another wallet or another exchange. So the first thing you need to do is to go over to your Binance account. If you're logged in, go over to Wallet and click on Find and Spot. Once you're on this page, go over to the top right and click on the Withdrawal button. You'll be sent over to a page looking similar to this one. As you can see, the first thing you need to do is to select the coin you want to transfer from Binance to another wallet or exchange. So you need to click on the coin selector. Now scroll through your holdings and select the coin you want to transfer. You can also use the search bar and select your coin that way. So for my example, I will transfer a portion of my algo holdings. Below select your coin, there is an option named Withdrawal To. Here you can choose between new address or address book. To save an address in your address book, just click on Add New Address. An address book is quite useful since if your address is placed in your address book, you won't need to copy your address from the other exchange every single time you're transferring your coins from Binance to the other exchange. Now you need to fill in the address of the exchange you want to transfer your crypto to. I will show you how to find the address of your wallet now. First off, you should go over to the exchange and log in. Once you're logged in, you need to look for a button called Deposit. If you can't find it, you could Google how to find an address on and then the name of the exchange you're using. Let's say I want to transfer my algo from Binance to Gate.io. I will go over to Gate.io and log in. Now I will go over to Wallet and click on Deposit. To find the address I want to send my coin to, I will search for algo. Now you want to copy your address. Of course you could also retype your address in Binance, but by doing so there is a chance you won't retrieve your funds. Because if you make a typing mistake, your coins will be sent to the address of another person. That's why I recommend you to always copy your address. If you have copied your address, let's go back to Binance. Real quick, if you find this video helpful, let me know by leaving a thumbs up. Now you need to paste your address in here. So I will paste my algo address in now. The next thing you need to do is to select the network you want to use to transfer your coins. If you don't know which networks do support the coin you want to transfer, I recommend that you do a quick Google search. By the way, if you're transferring a coin like Bitcoin or Ethereum, you should consider to trade your Bitcoin or Ethereum for algo, because by doing so you will pay a way less transaction fee. The withdrawal network will also be filled in instantly. That way you can make any unnecessary mistakes that could lead to you losing the money you're transferring. Of course, once your algo arrives on the other exchange, you can trade your algo back into Bitcoin or Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency. Once you filled in all the information, click on Withdrawal. There will be a pop-up looking similar to this one. Read through all the information to make sure you haven't made any mistakes. If you double checked all the information, click on Continue. Now all you need to do is to go through the security verification process. So in my case I will type in the email verification code and my Google verification code. Once you're finished, click on Submit. Your money will now be transferred from Binance to the other exchange. If you want to learn how to withdraw money from Binance directly into your bank account, watch this video. Or watch the suggested video by YouTube right below.